Welcome to Worldpay. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Worldpay from FIS. Review my merchant processing experience. Worldpay from FIS offers merchant processing services, essentially allowing businesses of all sizes to accept payments from customers. This includes credit and debit cards, online payments, and even mobile wallets. Key features likely include payment gateway services, fraud protection, and various reporting tools. It's aimed at businesses needing a reliable and robust payment processing solution. Their website provides details on their different pricing plans and the specific features included in each. They emphasize secure transactions, 24/7 support, and flexible integration options. While I haven't compared them feature by feature to every competitor, their marketing highlights scalability, making it suitable for businesses expecting growth. They use advanced encryption and tokenization technology to secure transactions. You can likely check availability and request a quote directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Worldpay from FIS. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. I filled out an online application, and a representative contacted me within a couple of business days to finalize the setup. The onboarding process involved verifying my business information and integrating the payment gateway with my online store. Navigating the online portal is pretty intuitive. The dashboard provides a clear overview of recent transactions, sales volume, and any potential issues. I particularly appreciate the detailed reporting features, which allow me to easily generate reports based on specific date ranges and payment types. The processing speed has been consistently fast, and I haven't experienced any downtime or interruptions so far. I did have a quick question about customizing the payment page on my website, and their support responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for monitoring transactions on the go. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for things like recurring billing, but once I figured it out, it was quite powerful. The standout feature for me was definitely the robust fraud protection tools, which gave me peace of mind knowing my business was protected. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Worldpay from FIS. While a mobile app would be a welcome addition, it generally met my needs and provided a reliable payment processing solution. That's my overview of Worldpay from FIS. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Worldpay for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.